Welcome to another edition of the AWS Blogger. In this quick episode of OBS Ninja, I'm going to show you how to do a one-on-one chat without using the group chat room. So real quick, what I do is I have OBS Ninja running on my workspace right here, and then I have OBS Ninja on another laptop. I've already set that up and added it. I'm going to bring that recording into it, but I want to show you a couple things. What you're going to do is add your camera, say allow, all right? Then we'll bring up my screen. I'm going to start there. Up here in the URL, take a look at this. Now, you don't need the push if you're not taking it to OBS, but I kind of just leave it in place so you can see how things are going to go. And let's zoom out of here on there. What I'm going to put here is, this is on this one, I want to bring in the other person and just want to have a one-on-one chat with that within this environment. So I'm going to do view equals. And what I do is I need their unique code, basically their streaming ID for it. So the streaming ID, and I'm looking over here, is NE958ZI. And we'll do the and symbol, and then it will refresh, and I'll just add back to it. I'll say allow. We'll change this over. And now what I have is just an individual one-on-one chat without using the group chat. I hope you like this. Stay tuned for future episodes with the OBS Ninja. I like bringing you the best things or the cool features that I find out. Until next time.